Namaste children. Today I will explain you a very interesting poem Topsy Turvy Land which is written by H.E. Wilkinson. But before that I would like to ask you some questions. Tell me, have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Have you ever played with your ball in your room? And lastly, does your room sometimes look like this as shown in this picture? Yes, of course, I think definitely sometimes you might have made your room messy like this. And then when you look around your room, how do you feel? Really, you feel very awkward. Yes? So, children, this is a very interesting poem about a land where everything is upside down. It is a strange land where nothing is normal. Before I start my explanation, let me read out this poem to you. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front door step is at the back. You're walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. And buses on the sea you'll meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you're coming back in topsy-turvy land. By H.E. Wilkinson. So children, this is a very funny and interesting poem about a strange land known as Topsy-Turvy Land. Now, do you know why this land is strange? Let me tell you. So the people of this land live a life which is completely opposite to the life that we live. We all walk with our legs, but the people in this land walk with their heads. If you are asked, what is sea made of? What will you say? Definitely, your answer will be water. But in this land, the sea is made of sand. Now, tell me, when do you go to school? Of course, you go to school in the morning. But the children in this land, they go to school at night. So, isn't it very funny and strange about this land? There are even many more amusing things that happen in this land. You will find the front door step is at the back and you are walking when you are standing. Now, tell me, where do you wear your hat? Is it on your head or feet? Definitely you wear it on your head, but the people in this land wear their hats on their feet. Moreover, in this land, you will never find buses on the streets. In fact, they move on the sea. And on the other hand, you will find the boats running on the streets. Just imagine, you are traveling on a boat which is moving on the street. How funny it will be. Now, when the people in this land pay for something they want, they don't get it. Suppose you want to have a chocolate or an ice cream and you have also paid for it, but you are not getting it. So, what will you feel? Won't you feel annoyed and strange? The people in this land, when they go, it means they are coming back. So you see how this poem is full of entertainment and hilarious scenario. Just imagine if there really existed a strange land like this. What would have happened? I think everyone would have definitely visited it. So children, I hope you must have really enjoyed this poem. Thank you.